For the print media emphasis in the graphic communications degree, this emphasis is for students that maybe enjoy graphics but aren't that creative person. You don't maybe have the illustrative skills or the creative design skills, but you really still enjoy graphics and you're more of the hands-on technical type of person. So for the print media emphasis, you're going to be learning more about classes that are going to be on the technical side of the output of graphics. So we work with equipment such as digital presses, inkjet presses, offset presses, flexo, screen printing, just a whole wide variety of different types of print output processes. So this is really where the rubber meets the road and where we take the creative design and do what we need to do to output it into its final form. So whether it's a t-shirt and screen printing, whether it's a pamphlet off a digital or an offset press, whether it's a label off of our flexo press, it's those types of skills that are the technical skills that are valued with our print media emphasis. So students coming into this emphasis area should have a good sense of mechanical aptitude. If you're somebody that likes to work with your hands, if you like to tear apart equipment, put it back together, this is an area that you'd be very interested in. This area also requires a lot of computer skills. Not necessarily computer from a design standpoint, but we use computers to operate much of the equipment nowadays. So even our digital presses, our screen printing press, they all have touch screens that we have to control with commands on the press to manipulate and output whatever our product is. There's a high demand for students in this area. A lot of this part of the industry is getting older. We have a lot of people out in the industry that are starting to retire, so there's a lot of great opportunities. Some students think of this as maybe a dirty field, but it's really not. Granted, we do work with inks and toners and all sorts of different things, but it's really still a good, fascinating part of the industry. So if you're into more of the technical side, the hands-on side of graphics, the print media emphasis would be a great choice for you.